Okay, we're going to do a quick room tour of room 8272 on Freedom of the Seas. So, as you go into our room here, as you can see, it's a balcony room. To your right, when you first walk in, is the bathroom. As you can see, it's just a standard bathroom for the Freedom class ships. It's going to be the same as, of course, the Independence and the other Freedom class ships. Just standard, not too big, not too small. And then on the other side is your closet. Closet's decent size. You can get all your clothes in there. We're on an 8-day cruise, so we got plenty of clothes for the 8 days. This is our second day, so we got everything still hanging up and away. As you go in further, you can see on the right side you then have a full-size mirror. Nice to help you get ready. And then there's a love seat and a small table. It says it's a couch, but really it's just a little bit bigger than a love seat. Then on the left-hand side, we have a desk that you can use. We got our computer on there. Also, it's got a nice light for the ladies doing their makeup, getting ready for a formal night and the such. Then next we have the television. Right above the television, there's a shelf that we've got all our electronics on. Then underneath the television is where the refrigerator is. As you can see, it's a small little refrigerator. It does the job. It's not real cold, but it does keep things cool. Then, of course, you have your king-size bed there, the Royal King-size bed. It's very nice. Next to the bed, there's an end table on each side, and then there's a small sconce light, and of course on the bottom of the sconce light there's a reading light for reading in the evening. Artwork above the bed, but of course the reason you get the balcony room is exactly for the balcony. So as we can see, the balcony out here, the view. It's a sea day here. We're heading to St. It's quite a nice balcony. You get 2 chairs and a nice table. Of course, these chairs actually fold flat, so they're really nice to sit out here, especially in the evening time. But of course, you can't beat this view and the sound of the waves. So it's just a quick room tour of room 8272 on Freedom of the Seas.